Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today we're going to make grilled cheese sandwich with ham and our secret ingredient, bread and butter pickles. So let's get started. As you can see, we have our cheese and our ham and butter and bread. And our secret ingredient are homemade bread and butter pickles. Now for the ham, I couldn't find the type of ham that I usually like to use with these sandwiches. So I'm trying the Bavarian ham from the deli. Get our sandwich started. Another key ingredient to a good grilled cheese sandwich is patience. Patience is the key. I like to cook my grilled cheese sandwiches slow. Put our bread, put our cheese on. And this is where I like to put my pickles. Years ago, I was trying to come up with a sandwich that had a little bit more flavor than just a grilled cheese sandwich. So I tried pickles. And I loved it, and now my family loves it. So for these kind of sandwiches, we use bread and butter pickles. Another thing I like to do when I'm making a grilled cheese sandwich is cover it with my crock pot lid, especially if I'm putting it on this grill. I really don't like to smash my bread, so I'll wait until it's cooked down a little bit. I think our sandwich is done. It's beautifully browned. It's a beautiful sandwich. There's our wonderful grilled cheese and ham sandwich with bread and butter pickles. And of course, we have to try it. So we're going to try the small side. It's a beautiful sandwich. That Bavarian ham went really well with the sandwich. And of course, you gotta have a chippy with every bite of a sandwich. I used to tell my granddaughter that, but she didn't want to ever eat her sandwich. That's good. Well, we did a successful sandwich. Thank you for stopping by. And I hope that someday you can make a delicious sandwich like this and enjoy it too. God bless and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.